Hi everyone! In today's video we're looking at the top 5 3D printers of the year. You can find all the links to the products that I mentioned in this video in the description down below. Here we go!
Adventure 3, a new plug-and-play 3D printer, free of leveling, brings impressive experience without any complex leveling or adjusting. The device is fully enclosed. The lightweight design on motion axis gives a feeling of smoothness and quietness, which is very suitable for quiet occasions such as classroom, laboratory, and so on. The heated build plate reduces warping and curling. It is also easier to remove models with a bendable flex build plate. We always met extruder troubles of disassembly and maintenance in the past. A brand new and integrated extruder designed by FlashForge. Install or take off the extruder easily by a buckle structure with your hands. As a compact desktop 3D printer, FlashForge is looking for the simplest way for educators, children, and makers. To ensure easy and visible operation, FlashForge Adventurer 3 comes with not only all regular functions, but also an LCD touch display and camera, automatically loading filament, as well as USB disk and Wi-Fi connectivity controlled by Flash Cloud. The most important is about innovation. Ideas came from classroom, office, or garage. Adventure 3 is an assistant tool to help children open the mind and get an intuitive feeling.
Printing affordable. Based on the best-selling MP Select 3D Printer V2, the Plus improves upon key areas. It's easy to unbox and set up with the consolidated two-piece design. New features include a smaller footprint and a touchscreen interface, and the streamlined print head and ribbon cable ensure there are no interruptions while printing. It's the best value under $500. Monoprice brings affordability to the 3D printing revolution, so all creative people can bring their ideas to life.
you're interested in buying any of these products, you can see the links in the description. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a comment, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.